Hello class 8 student. Today I am going to discuss the chapter mineral and power resources of the geography. Before starting the chapter, we need to understand what is mineral and where do we get what is mineral and where do we get the mineral. So in the previous year, that is class 7, you have understood about rocks in the earlier classes, and we need to think that what a rock is made of. A rock is an aggregate of minerals. Rock is an aggregate of minerals. Most rocks are made of a combination of several minerals in various proportion. You see, if I take a stone that is granite, which is a type of igneous rock, it consists of certain minerals like feldspar, quartz, mica, and some amphibole. Amphibole means certain kinds of creatures which has been put under the high pressure and remains left behind inside the granite. Some other examples are limestone, which are sedimentary rocks, which has calcite, a kind of mineral. So a mineral is a naturally occurring inorganic substance. Mineral is what? Naturally occurring and inorganic substance. It is made of single solid substance of uniform composition. So minerals made of single solid substance. It can be said that minerals are single, but some minerals are in the liquid form. So minerals have distinctive properties such as color, hardness, crystalline structure, luster, and specific gravity. And here we need to understand that what are the types of minerals mainly. Minerals, the first type of minerals that we say as metallic mineral. And again, these metallic minerals are divided into two parts, ferrous and non-ferrous. Ferrous and non-ferrous. Here, ferrous means which oxidized in the form of in the presence of oxygen. So again, any minerals containing iron in some quantity, that is iron ore, manganese, chromite, iron, which has a tendency to oxidize in the presence of air and water, is called ferrous. And non-ferrous, that any minerals that contains a metal but not iron, that is not iron, like gold, are non-ferrous metal. Why? Because gold doesn't catch rust, iron catch rust. So these minerals contain metals such as copper, silver, iron, nickel, and cobalt. So the jewelry that we are wearing, or the women used to wear, made of gold, are non-ferrous. So and again, as we have discussed the metallic mineral, another type of minerals is metallic minerals, non-metallic minerals. That means it is not metal. Like as I have already mentioned, that limestone, talc, gypsum, a kind of stone. These are kind of stone. These are non-metallic minerals. So now the main thing is that how we get minerals. How we get minerals. obviously we need to dig the earth surface and get the minerals, but there are certain kinds of obtaining of minerals that with different ways of obtaining minerals, and the ways of obtaining mineral by digging out the earth is called as mining. So mining is an extraction of mineral. It is cheaper to mine a substance when it is on the earth's surface or close to it. Many minerals are found deep in the earth. Some might be under seas, river and lake. Again, minerals may occur as a compact mass or might be widely scattered. So mining, suppose as well this is the surface of the earth. Some minerals may be accumulated near that, so directly digging out. Some minerals are here, so we cannot dig a huge ditch here. So we need to make a tunnel digging out, and from this shaft we can take out. Some minerals are very far deep and also in the liquid form. So this is easier by mining through wells, by putting pipes here and sucking out the mineral here, like mineral oil, whatever. So in this way there are different kinds of mining, which first one is called as open cast mining. The second one is placers mining, and the third one is underground mining. So open cast mining is carried out when extensive deposits lie near the surface of the land, that this one, directly digging out from the surface, and it is opened, the above layer is opened and revealing the minerals here and extracting out. Next one is placer mining. It is used of the water to extract heavy mineral from alluvial or placer deposit. Some kind of mining are there which some minerals are there which dissolve in water. So here water is sent through pump, the minerals is dissolved in water, and again the water is extracted. Like salt, certain kinds of salt are dissolved and various things. So certain kinds of are placed like gold bearing sands, and when there is high density of gold, that makes it sink to separate it from the lighter siliceous matters which is found. Since early 20th century, like dredging became the most important method to mine placers. Dredging means with water, the minerals, the sand is taken out, and from that sand the gold settle down and the sand is drained out again. So this is the form of placers mining. And the most important thing is, which is very common, is underground mining. And this underground mining is done when the minerals are located deep within the earth. And you might have seen that is shaft mining in movies, where miners go down a shaft in a lift. In various cinemas you have seen it. That is, from over the surface there is a lift, and from the lift the miners are going down, and there are a huge area where people are engaged in mining or in different layers. It can be said certain cities can be formed in these tunnels, among the tunnels, and the tunnels are dug to reach the ore where it is dynamited. That is, from bombs and dynamites are used, or some dredging kind of things are used, drilling holes, and the minerals are extracted here, and through trolleys or again it is through this shaft it is brought it out. And above here there are certain trucks are there waiting, and it is mounted. The trucks goes to the required places. In this way coal, gold, copper are mined. So this is underground mining. Another mining is called as drilling, that I have already mentioned. Drilling means by drilling a small shaft. People cannot go through this drilling, but it is very small, but this is suitable for extracting some kind of liquid minerals. Okay, the type of rocks and the level of mechanization which are required, that is mineral oil, are extracted here. So in this way various distribution of oils are found here. Various distribution of minerals can be seen over the earth, because the earth surface is not so much filled with mineral, and these minerals are not ubiquitous, that means not present all over the world. It is present in a localized form, because we will not get mineral in every places. Some countries are very good in some certain kind of mineral, and some countries are not. So here we need to understand that about minerals, that again, if you are going to extract the ores, that is the impurities form of the mixture form of the mineral, and from this ore we are extracting, like from iron ore we are getting iron, from bauxite we are getting aluminium. So that form, the bauxite and iron ore, is called the ore form of it. Here this ore are of two types, high grade and low grade. It's very important point. High grade means that kind of ore which has the high concentration of ore, of minerals. That means here certain, suppose this is the ore, and here about 70% of the minerals are present in there, and the 30% are impurities. But in low grade there are 30% of minerals and the remaining 70% are impurities. So whenever there are business in economic form and the people are engaged in extracting the ore, they are well acquainted with the high grade ore. They are benefited more and more when the ore is high grade. Otherwise the low grade ore doesn't give enough profit in extracting, and will take a huge effort to extract the mineral from these excessive impurities. So here, as I have discussed about the minerals and the different kinds of minerals, and some countries are very good in the distribution of mineral, like iron ore. India is also rich in iron ore. India is rich in iron ore. Some iron ore that are that we used to get, like hematite, magnetite, siderite, which are pale brown in color. And in India, iron ore we get in a place like Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Orissa, Bihar also, and various places in the eastern part of the country. Some other country which are very rich in iron ore minerals are China, Brazil, Australia, also including India and Russia, etc. Another type of mineral, this is non-metallic mineral that we term as is mica. This mica are of two types, muscovite and biotite, MUSCOVITE. This mica is used in various activities of manufacturing, like electrical equipments and so on. And here the thermal, it has a low thermal and electric conductivity, and mica has many uses. Muscovite mica is used in heating elements, electric condensers, and in optical instruments. So mica, in the terms of mica, India is the world's leading producer of muscovite mica, followed by Brazil. Next one is Brazil. Other producers are US, United States, Tanzania, Zimbabwe, and Argentina. High quality mica is found in Jharkhand, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, and Rajasthan. That is similar to the iron ore where we used to obtain iron ore. Another is bauxite. From bauxite we used to get aluminium. India is also one of the leading producer of aluminium here. Other countries like Australia, Brazil, China, Guinea, Guyana, Jamaica are some of them. In India we get aluminium in the same place like Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Orissa. Another one is copper. Copper is a kind of noble metal, and we used to copper get in its original form. Okay, it is abundant, low cost, and excellent conductivity makes copper a valuable commodity. And copper is used in various electrical equipments, in vacuum coils or whatever it is, heating, construction, chemical, and pharmaceutical machinery. So Chile is a leading producer of copper. Leading producer of copper. Here India also has copper, like in the area like Jharkhand, Bihar, Rajasthan. Another is manganese. Manganese is used in kind of dry cell battery that we are using in torchlight or whatever it is, and also it is chemically active metal, and it resembles iron but is harder and more brittle. It is used as an alloy with iron for steel making. Manganese is used to make steel. So India also has some amount of manganese here. Other countries like South Africa, Ukraine, China, Australia, Gabon are and 80% of the world manganese is found in South Africa and Ukraine. Another non-metallic mineral are limestone. India is also very good in very rich in limestone production. Another one is gold. India is not so much rich in gold production. The last one that we can see is that is the salt. Salt is abundant in all over the world, and it is available into the sea coast, and from the coastal area salt is extracted from the sea. So in this way we have understood about the mineral and where it is accepted. In the last class, in the next class, we will discuss about the conservation of the minerals, how we can conserve the mineral, and also we will discuss about the power resources. For the finding, I hope so you will understand this part of the lesson, and do share with the other students, that most of the students will able to watch this video and understand. And if any question arises, do ask me in the next session of the class. Thank you.